Tuesday. I'm on my way to work, obviously. Yeah. So I work today, and then I'll be off until next Tuesday again. So yeah. Yeah. Last night I didn't vlog much. I just like hung out with the kids and chilled at home after I got home. So it wasn't much to vlog. And yeah. I do need to run to the store to pick up a few more things for Harper's party, because I mean I could wait till tomorrow. Come on, just come on, cause you was about to just jump in front of me anyway. Just go. What? Sorry. I need to get a few more things for Harper's party, but I might just wait till tomorrow since I'm off. We do have physical therapy tonight and tomorrow if the kids go to school. But that's about it. She's having a mermaid party. Yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm headed to work, and I will catch up with you later. I am up in my room. I got my travel set thing today it's from Amazon, but one of the influencer apps websites I use is Stack Influence. They basically just send you 6 different offers each month. You pick whichever one you want to do. And then the basically only requirement is to post a picture of the product with your face in it on your actual personal page. So this is like strictly influencing, and it's not UGC. So like I don't have to make up a copy of copyright words, all that. They do give you like a couple of talking points to put in your caption, but that's it. So the one I picked this time is this travel bag. If I was like really on, I picked pink. If I was like really on it, then I would have came home as soon as I got home today, snapped a picture, and then been able to post this tonight, because it is pink and it's Wednesday, and y'all know I get down with my pink on Wednesdays. But it didn't go down like that because physical therapy, and I wanted to clean up the house a little bit. So I don't know, like you do have a deadline on when you have to post these, but it's basically they're gifted. So basically you pay for it first, and then they refund you the money. You basically just give your honest opinion on what you thought of the product. It's usually what it says. It never says like say good things about the thing. It says tell us your experience with the product. So yeah, so that's this. I wish this was available for me to do it and like authentically before we went to New York, and I could like for real packed it. Now I have to like stage a picture, but I'll figure that out. I'm definitely not filming it tonight, but oh, it does have a, that's nice. Also, because it's a gifted, I usually don't try to like talk about stuff that's gifted, because I'm not about to give you extra promotion for something that you're not paying me for. But this thing is from Amazon, and there's like a little hook on it. So I will snap a picture at some point with my products in it and post it on my page, and you guys will see it. So yeah. I never recorded what I got when I went to the Sephora store in New York. I did my Fashion Nova clothes that came. I did the Bath and Body Works order that came. But I never showed you what the heck I picked up when I was in New York from Sephora. So I think I have one. Okay. So makeup. I just got the Pro Filter foundation. Mine is in 385 is my color. The New York video I posted, she put like the lighter shade on my face, and then she put the darker shade, this shade on, and like you literally could not see it. So I was like, yeah, let me get that. I got Trophy Wife highlighter. Those of you, I'm pretty sure everyone knows what Trophy Wife looks like, but in case you don't, let me crack her open for you real quick. Trophy Wife is giving holiday, New Year's, so yeah, I had to get her. And then I am probably gonna send this back because I do like liquid bronzer and creamy bronzer. But I got the Sunstalker Instant Warmth bronzer as well. This is like the darkest shade that it comes in. This is Thick Mint. The shade that was right under this was like really red on my cheeks, so I was like, you know, we're not gonna do that. Let's try this one. And then this is the one that she opened for me to test, I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, we'll see. I might keep it. I don't know, we'll see. And then the last thing I picked up was a Fenty perfume that my phone is currently sitting on, so hold on. So yeah, I had this on my list when it first came out, and then it sold out, and it's back out again, so I picked it up as well. And they were 20% off at Sephora when we went to New York last week. So yeah, that's all I picked up. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that because I forgot to do it. I haven't used any of it yet. I haven't actually tried the foundation on. This doesn't come in a... Interesting. Huh. Okay. I'm just like really confused. Okay. But that's it. That's what I picked up from Sephora when we went to New York. But that's about it. I am probably just gonna sit here and write out some concepts for that. And go ahead and get myself ready for bed. I am back on vacation now. So today is I only had to work 2 days this week. Tomorrow is the kids' last day at school. And then Harper's birthday is Friday. So tomorrow we'll be doing her in-class birthday party cupcake stuff. So yeah, I won't really get a chance to record that because like school kids. So yeah, but that's it. I'm gonna go now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you're following me on all the things. Okay, bye. I guess, but that is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're following on all the things. I will catch you in my next video. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.